The human heart is a remarkable organ that works tirelessly to pump blood throughout our body. About the size of a fist, the heart beats around 100,000 times per day, pumping over 1 million barrels of blood during an average lifetime. This fist-sized vital organ is actually a muscle that contracts and relaxes rhythmically to pump oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to tissues all over the body. The heart has 4 hollow chambers, 2 upper atria and 2 lower ventricles. The atria collect blood returning to the heart, while the more muscular ventricles pump blood out of the heart. The heart chambers work together in a sequence to efficiently circulate blood flow. Oxygen-rich blood travels from lungs into the left atrium, fills the left ventricle, then pumps out to the body's organs and tissues. At the same time, oxygen-poor blood returns from the body into the right atrium, fills the right ventricle, then gets pumped to the lungs to receive more oxygen. This synchronized 4-chamber heart operation repeats rhythmically to sustain the body with oxygen and nutrients. Now, what exactly causes heart blockages? Heart blockages or coronary artery disease results from plaque buildup inside the coronary arteries. These are the major blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle itself. Plaque is made up of cholesterol deposits, fat, calcium, and other cellular waste. Over time, plaque hardens and narrows the inner arterial wall space for blood flow in a process called atherosclerosis. Narrow arteries restrict nutrient-rich blood from reaching downstream heart tissue. Ischemia is the medical term for insufficient blood supply to organs. In the heart, chronic severe ischemia can lead to injury, muscle dysfunction, or even heart failure. Lifestyle factors like poor diet, inactivity, smoking, and other risks contribute to plaque buildup and heart vessel blockages over one's lifetime. Improving heart health involves a holistic approach of increased exercise, stress reduction techniques, not smoking, and consuming a nutrient-rich, heart-healthy diet. In terms of one's diet, incorporating certain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory beverages can further support cardiovascular health. Here are 10 science-backed drinks that help to unblock coronary arteries by reducing arterial plaque deposits and promoting circulation for improved heart health. 1. Pomegranate juice. This vibrant red juice made from sweet pomegranate fruit contains powerful polyphenol antioxidants linked to reduced inflammation and improved cardiac function. Studies on patients with coronary artery disease found daily pomegranate juice consumption increased blood flow and oxygen supply to the heart. Pomegranate's antioxidants protect LDL cholesterol from becoming oxidized and dangerously accumulating on arterial walls. Aim for 8 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice without any added sugars. Be aware that pomegranate can interact with certain heart medications like statins and blood pressure drugs. 2. Tart cherry juice. Montmorency. Tart cherries are packed with inflammation-fighting antioxidants called anthocyanins that benefit heart health. Tart cherry juice lowered multiple risk factors for heart disease like cholesterol, triglycerides, and oxidative stress in human trials. Animal research also demonstrates tart cherry supplementation reduces plaque buildup in atherosclerosis-prone mice. For heart health benefits without added sugar intake, consume 8 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice daily. 3. Beetroot juice. Vibrant purple beetroot juice significantly improves blood flow due to its high nitrate content. Nitrates help widen narrowed blood vessels to boost circulation. Human studies verify drinking beetroot juice increases nitric oxide levels and oxygenation of heart muscle tissue. Adding just under 1 cup of beetroot juice to your routine can prevent plaque-induced ischemia to protect against heart damage long-term. 4. Green tea. Green tea overflows with protective polyphenols and catechins, including epigallocatechin galat, EGCCG, with cardioprotective anti-inflammatory activities. Population research links habitual green tea consumption to a 15 to 20% lower risk of developing coronary artery disease and stroke. Green tea prevents dangerous LDL cholesterol oxidation implicated in plaque formation. Brew 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea daily for anti-atherosclerotic benefits. 5. Hibiscus tea. This bright red herbal tea exhibits antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and cholesterol-lowering properties to support coronary artery health. Consuming hibiscus tea lowers elevated bad LDL cholesterol while maintaining good HDL cholesterol in clinical trials. Also, research in patients with metabolic syndrome shows blood vessel function improved after drinking hibiscus tea for just 6 weeks. Enjoy a few daily cups of hibiscus tea to boost heart health. Number 6. Coffee. America's beloved morning beverage, coffee significantly reduces cardiovascular disease and stroke risk in numerous studies when filtered and consumed in moderation. Coffee's complex blend of polyphenol antioxidants, including chlorogenic acids, are involved in these vasoprotective effects. Moderate coffee intake lowers inflammation and LDL oxidation threats for atherosclerosis development. Limit caffeinated coffee to 1-2 cups daily to prevent excessive stimulation. 7. Tea. Both black and green teas supply antioxidant flavonoids that improve blood vessel function in humans. A meta-analysis concluded those drinking over 3 cups of black tea daily, the typical amount, experienced a 21% lower heart disease incidence compared to minimal or no tea intake. Population research also shows green tea slashes coronary artery disease risk. Thus, incorporating black or green tea is advantageous for strengthening blood vessels against plaque accumulation. 8. Red wine. Sipping on certain red wines in moderation provides anti-atherosclerotic phenolic compounds like resveratrol that benefit heart health for some individuals. Moderate red wine intake boosts HDL good cholesterol while lessening blood clot risk, but only in healthy populations. However, red wine consumption provided no protective effects in coronary patients already undergoing treatment in research studies. Consult your doctor about light to moderate red wine intake as part of an atherosclerosis prevention diet in specific patient subgroups. 9. Tomato juice. Fresh tomato juice shines with lycopene, a robust carotenoid antioxidant that supports healthy blood flow. Meta-analyses confirm higher lycopene levels substantially reduce incidence of stroke, heart disease, and their mortality risks. Additionally, a study in heart disease patients found just 2 months of tomato juice consumption improved blood vessel widening capacity for better circulation. For natural lycopene concentration, regularly drink 1 small glass of fresh tomato juice. Number 10. Concord grape juice. The bold purple grape Concord contains disease-fighting flavonoid compounds that bolster heart health. These antioxidants improve blood pressure, cholesterol ratios, and blood vessel functioning for optimized circulation. Human trials display Concord grape consumption significantly increases HDL good cholesterol while lowering LDL oxidation and platelet aggregation involved in atherosclerotic disease. For benefits without added sugars, opt for just 4 ounces of unsweetened 100% Concord grape juice per day. In conclusion, heart disease continues to be the leading cause of death as lethal coronary artery blockages restrict oxygen-rich blood from nourishing the active heart organ. Over time, inflammatory arteriosclerosis facilitated by oxidative stress can obstruct coronary vessels and impair heart function if left unchecked. But implementing an integrative regimen centered on daily physical activity, plant-based Mediterranean-style eating and stress reduction practices can help circumvent plaque-induced blood vessel narrowing. Consuming certain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory beverages can provide additional dietary support. Polyphenol-rich drinks like pomegranate juice, tart cherry juice, beetroot juice, green tea, hibiscus tea, and coffee limit oxidative threats to lower coronary disease risk for improved cardiovascular health. Tomato juice, Concord grape juice, and responsibly consumed wine in moderation supply heart-helping nutrients as well. Each delicious drink uniquely counteracts atherosclerotic processes, from enhancing blood vessel dilation and flow to upping HDL good cholesterol and quenching inflammatory threats. Their cumulative benefits equip the body with more defenses against progressive plaque complications. Of course, consult your doctor to verify which heart-healthy beverages are suitable for your individual health status. Certain juices can interact with medications prescribed for pre-existing medical conditions. Ideally, anti-atherosclerotic beverages should be embedded within an overall lifestyle regimen tailored to each person. Sustainable habits like routine exercise, nutritious food choices, stress adaptation practices, and restorative sleep just as importantly fuel cardiovascular wellness too. Still, regularly enjoying science-backed antioxidant drinks facilitates healthier blood flow by resolving disease-causing threats that imperil coronary circulation over time. When combined with heart-conscious lifestyle adjustments, these flavorful beverages sustain the incredible pumping capacity of the tireless human heart. The remarkable human heart continuously pumps life-sustaining blood throughout the miles of blood vessels in our intricate circulatory system. However, various lifestyle and biological threats chronically damage blood vessel walls, initiating inflammatory atherosclerotic plaque deposits within coronary arteries. This increasingly obstructs vessels to ultimately restrict oxygen and nutrient delivery to heart tissue itself. Chest pain, arrhythmias, heart damage, and even cardiac events can manifest when unchecked arterial narrowing leaves portions of heart muscle cells starved for oxygen. Thankfully, adopting an integrative approach focused on heart-healthy lifestyle factors can prevent or even reverse cardiosclerosis progression before dire complications take root. Regular exercise, nutritious plant-focused eating, stress-relieving practices, and restorative sleep comprise an anti-atherosclerotic lifestyle plan. Furthermore, incorporating targeted dietary beverages into routines provides supplemental heart support. Certain anti-inflammatory antioxidant drinks enhance cardiovascular health by countering harmful oxidative stress, improving cholesterol profiles, widening constricted blood vessels, and resolving plaque-promoting inflammation threats. Science now spotlights an array of promising drinks for boosting heart health, from vibrantly colored fruit and vegetable juices to flavonoid-packed teas, coffee, and wine. Each uniquely supply different regenerative compounds to combat atherosclerotic disease pathways in the complex cardiovascular system. For example, tart cherry juice delivers vessels-widening nitrates and inflammation-resolving anthocyanins. Green tea overflows with anti-inflammatory EGCTG to prevent LDL cholesterol oxidation. Coffee increases circulation and blood vessel lining function according to data. Further study details their cumulative benefits, signaling optimizing a combination of such drinks can profoundly impact long-term cardiovascular health. Of course, consult a doctor before regularly consuming certain beverages, especially for those with underlying health conditions or taking prescribed medications. Nonetheless, pairing heart-conscious lifestyle measures with science-backed functional drinks comprises a proactive regimen to take control of one's cardiovascular fate. Adopting holistic atherosclerosis prevention habits empower individuals to actively circumvent ominous arterial plaque complications in order to grace the human heart with enduring wellness from this point forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.